Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some projects with you guys that I've recently created. And of course, they're Valentine's Day themed. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is this super cute little book. I showed you guys two other ones that I made like this, and I wanted to make another one because I got another order from scrapbook.com. So of course I had the little chipboard piece, so I made this one. This is what the tassel looks like. Isn't it super cute? I just got this new dye from AliExpress and it's the lips, so I've been going crazy using these lips on some of my projects. And let's open the book up. So when you open it up, this is the little pocket right here, and I just put some little goodies in there. I used some crepe paper. Happy Valentine's Day. A lot of the stickers are from the and the paper is from Crepe Paper Main Squeeze collection. Some Target stickers. This is sweet. Say hello to a new day. And then in here, I think I have some goodies in there too. And then there's this page, which I love. It's so cute. The lips again with the XOXO and the two little birds kissing. Isn't that cute? Then we have this page right here, and it says, I love you with all my heart, besties. And then here I added some little embellishments that the recipient can use. So we have a rosette, a cupcake liner rosette, and a little shaker. Then we have this page right here, which is one of my faves. This one is a little treat bag, and I have some tags in here. In here is my little note to the recipient. This is another one of my favorite pages. So cute. And there's this one, and this is like a cupcake liner bow. How cute is that, you guys? Isn't that different? Put that there. And then on this side is just some little goodies with a little cute candy embellishment. And then the last one, I made another pocket and added some goodies in there as well. Some stickers, some doilies. And then the back of the book looks like that. So yeah, you guys, that is the first project that I wanted to share with you guys. And the second one is another tag flip, but it's a circle tag flip. And I'm going to bring the focus up because this is super tiny and you guys need to see it up close. So this is what it looks like. It says, hey girl. Isn't that cute, you guys? And it's like circles, all little circles. I reinforced them. We got some candy, and it says how sweet it is to be loved by you. This cute little heart. A little tag, you light my life. Cute little cupcake. We got some little Valentine's Day clips. Oops. You're so pineapple. That is so cute. You're just my type. This cute little heart. Of course, we got some more of those little lips that I'm sending. This one says you're a gem. Then I made like a little pocket here with some little goodies. This one just says XOXO. A little baggie with some more goodies. I decorated it with a little sticker. This little piece of acetate says boom. A little card that says lots of love. A little sticker. A bingo card. Another little circle designed with a little doggy. It says love much. This one says love is in the air. And we have another little heart. an I love you tag, one of those little ephemera pieces from Michael's from last year, this cute little heart, a little love coupon, these little stickers that I got in some Happy Mail and I decided to share some, a little cupcake liner flower, and then the last page is like some peanut butter and jelly Valentines, and then the back of course says handmade by me. But yeah, you guys, this is a cute little circle tag flip. I love this, so cute. But those are my projects that I have to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that's it for my video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.